guys, did you even start it?
Yes, I did.
Okay, I did. Okay. Hello, guys. Well,
Today we're doing.
Oh my God! It's part 2. Stop
Yeah,
it!
right now we're just getting a timer.
I have a Nerf gun.
Right now we're getting a timer.
FYI, I can.
No, that's too big.
No, it's too perfect.
Wait, let's use your phone.
No. My phone's at 1%.
What?
Wait a second. Every 10 minutes, this plays.
Wow.
Or
Where did you put the tablet?
tablet?
Yeah.
It's right here. Okay.
You left it like that.
Okay, wait. Give me a
Get
second.
the switch out of the way.
It's my Switch.
The switch.
It's mine. I brought it here.
Okay, guys, so we're just going to get a timer.
You record while I get a timer.
Huh?
You record while I get a timer.
Okay. Are you going to use your switch or something?
No.
Oh, I'll use the other tablet we have. Okay, guys, right now we are getting a timer. 5-second story with Gaden. I stepped on a nail in my first video. Story time over. Okay, guys, we're getting a timer, and I'll be right back.
Get a small gun.
Right now, okay, guys, I'm back, and we're going to start the war. But first, we need to choose a gun. Only small guns, Prachetas. And guys, I also need to eat this delicious M&M. Oh,
Yeah. This is like a mirror.
How
How about I get 6 bullets?
Okay.
Because this is a 6 bullet. You choose again. You can choose a big and or a small. No, I'm choosing a new gun. But the big one's disadvantage.
Wait, you're a seeker, so you only need a gun. Alright, guys. I'm just getting M&M's while Prachetas is waiting. You did not see anything. Okay, guys. Here are the M&M's. SPM, sponsored by M&M's. Snacks. Oh, no. No, M&M's, what are you doing?
I chose my gun.
Which gun? That's too big.
And or 2. But I can't pick up my bullets.
Oh, yeah, you're a seeker. You don't need a camera. Actually, yeah, you do.
To pick up my bullets?
No. You're a seeker. You need to hold the camera.
Oh, yeah. You just... Well, I do mine.
He's still getting ready, guys. So you need a gun that can fit in one hand. Or you can put it in your pocket if you have one.
I have a pocket.
Can I put it in your pocket?
I'm picking a gun! What is my name? Does this shoot bullets?
No,
Yeah, it does.
it doesn't work.
Okay, let me just find the gun.
The M&M's of wonder.
I'll do some trivia or something like that. Kaden, you talk to them. So I find myself.
Okay, guys, right now, all we're doing is Prachetas getting this gun. As you can see, and I'm eating M&M's. As you can see. And all my Rubik's Cubes.
You don't need to give them a house tour.
Here is my piano.
Don't give them a darn house tour.
Here is all my toys and stuff. Here is a vacuum. Here is a bucket with fish tank.
Okay, I'm ready.
Here are my fish.
I'm ready.
Here is my TV. Here's my M&M.
Kaden.
Here's my PS3. Yeah. Okay.
Bullets. I need bullets.
Come with me.
I've never seen the bullet drawer. Oh.
You hardly have any bullets left in the stuff you got, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Accurate.
What are you saying?
Accurate bullets.
Oh. Okay, guys.
I'm getting accurate.
Remember, you have to count to 30 in my room. And yeah.
Kaden, did you know about this?
Yeah.
My gun.
Continuing on our house tour, here's
No!
our kitchen. And here's a chair, here's a chair, here's a chair, here's a chair, here's stuff. Here's Prachetas, as you can see.
Exploded.
And here is our door. And here is our toilet. Here is toothpick. And as you can see, this is our upstairs. Look at that. Stop.
Okay,